See, the darn jet stream is shifting. We had a nice day. I see snow all across the prairie and up against the mountain, and that is coming towards us by the minute. It's going to shift from a real nice day to, I checked AccuWeather, and oh, unexpectedly, the jet stream backed down, and with some heavy weather coming here. It'll be snowing shortly, and seems in the mid 40s now. A little chilly, but we see the snow coming down alongside the mountain. It's eaten up a lot of mountain in the past 5 minutes. So yeah, just at sunset here. Nice little wicked snowstorm coming on us kind of fast.